Hello everybody, welcome back. Real quick overview because we've got a big live stream tonight for the Patreon users, so I'll save my energy for that. So the main thing I'm just going to look at is basically the overview of the market rather than look at any particular coins, because we'll be doing that all night tonight. So basically the overview of altcoins is that the Bitcoin dominance is still bearish, right? So Bitcoin had its breakout yesterday. Breakout is probably not the correct term, but a breakout of the pitchfork. So in that sense, then the odds are now in favour of the bulls ever so slightly. However, you know, a first attempt to break through this the resistance box here has currently been rejected. So I'm not overly concerned, but I do in the back of my mind expect it to come down to at least around 34,000, and maybe even come down further to test this descending. Which would be hopefully support of the pitchfork, which is coming in at around about 33, a possible retracement down to around about 32 over time. So yeah, we have been rejected at the moment. It's still early days, nothing to be majorly concerned of. And again, you know, we are, I suppose, now in favour of the bulls. The bulls have the upper hand, if only they could make use of it. So we're looking here on the daily. Let's move these indicators up. So MACD looking like it wants to turn up a bit better now. This could be I suppose a turning point for Bitcoin. Doesn't necessarily mean it has to happen today. You know, crosses, you know, as useful as they can be, and they can also be misleading. People will be looking at this thinking this is the time to go in. We're about to get a MACD cross. But to be honest with you, you know, we're still. I mean, it's still bullish. Let's face it. It's a bullish situation. It's a bullish situation, definitely. The RSI is snaking its way back up nicely as well, but mainly just based on the back of the chart and the price action currently. You know, a rejection from this blue box at the moment. It is what it is, and perhaps a retracement back down to 34, maybe down to 33, is, in my opinion, reasonably likely. You know, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it's definitely worth bearing in mind. So if that were to happen, we always need to check the Bitcoin dominance chart to see how that responds to the drop. If the Bitcoin dominance chart ends up going down and continues to go down, then alts are still perfectly good for buying, and in my opinion this is where the money's going to be. Bitcoin I use really in a situation like now as the main indicator. So all altcoins, regardless of their setup, can be void if Bitcoin decides it wants to go down. If Bitcoin wants to go up in this sort of situation with Bitcoin dominance looking so bearish, then I imagine alts will follow and probably outperform as well. So, you know, remember, I've said this many times, Bitcoin when trading altcoins, Bitcoin is one of your main indicators. So always have that. One eye on the Bitcoin chart while the other eye is doing your altcoin charting and technical analysis and things like that. So, like I say, there's no need to beat around the bush. That's pretty much all I'm going to give you today. We do have the live stream this evening, so join my Patreon channel for that. It's only £7.50 a month. You get 2 live streams per week. You usually go on for about 2 hours at a time, and you can ask me to look at any chart that you like, and I'll give you my 2 cents on that. You know, see if I like the look of it or not. There's also a lot more exclusive content that you'll have access to, tutorials and things like that. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. See you later on. Take it easy.